Changing topics, when it comes to camping, thinking through your sleep setup is key. You want something convenient but comfortable. Studio 5's Chelsea Fairborn toured a vacation trailer that can do just that.
Summer is in full swing, and if you're looking to get your family out on the road and up into the mountains, Brett Parris with Parris RV has a great option that can take you anywhere you want to go. Tell us about this trailer.
Yeah, this is a 2021 Rockwood Geo Pro, and the model is a 19 RD, and what RD means is rear dinette. It's got a great big dinette in the back with windows all the way around, and I love windows in these small little trailers because this again is a small, compact. Overall with the tongue is like 19 feet, so you know, real small, only weighs 3,100 pounds. Tow it with a small little SUV or something. Anything that tows like 4,500 will tow this, but that great big dinette in the back with the windows all around, it's real nice. You know, back that up to a lake, up to the trees or whatever. What a great little trailer to take your family out and go camping.
And you mentioned that this is a really good option for that backcountry travel. What is it about this trailer that makes it so good for those situations?
It's a great trailer. It's a super high-tech little trailer made for boondocking. And if you want to get off the grid and get in the backcountry and get away from people, this is a perfect trailer to do that. And it's got an off-road set of wheels and tires with a lift kit, so you know it's got some good clearance to go behind say that small Tacoma or Explorer or something. Plus it has a solar panel on the roof, so you know you're out camping, you know you've got plenty of power. That solar panel is going to charge up your battery. It's got an inverter on board, so it'll take battery power and invert it to electricity, which is nice, allow you to run a lot of those electric items. It's got a Wi-Fi ranger, which is super cool, so you can plug or hook your devices up to the Wi-Fi ranger, create your own hotspot. If you're in a place where you have a Wi-Fi host, you can actually connect it to the host and amplify your signal and have a personal firewall, so that's real nice. It's got a whole house water filtration system, so you don't have to worry about if you're hooked up to somebody else's water or up from that tank, because it does have onboard water. Of course, it's got air conditioning. It's got a microwave. It's got a front queen bed. It's got a furnace, but that front queen bed even has a heated mattress. Kind of cool.
And a big thing that stands out to me too is that outdoor living space, right? So it looks like we've got some amenities out here. And one thing too is when you do go away from the trailer, you mentioned to me earlier as well that there's that keyless entry that makes it a really seamless experience, right?
Yeah, you know, you get out, you go camping, you don't want to lose your keys or something, right? So you leave your keys in here. It's got keyless entry. You go on a hike, you don't have to worry about it. You just punch your code when you come back out. Grab your favorite lawn chair, pull it out here. You've got a griddle on the outside. Maybe do some cooking underneath this really nice power awning with this nice LED strip that's on the outside. This trailer's got frameless windows, which in RVs right now is really the very best thing you can get. And gosh, it's even got a water miser system. When you turn on your showers, you don't waste water. It puts it back into the fresh tank. Then when it turns hot, you can flip it right back, have a hot shower. So just a super high-tech, small, compact, easy to tow little Rockwood Geo Pro, the very best little trailer you can get.
There you go, a little tiny but mighty trailer that does everything you want it to do and more. Where can people go to find this trailer or tour something similar?
Yeah, Parris RV has two great locations in Murray. This is at our North Murray location, which is 4360 South State, or just shop online at parrisrv.com.
Okay, thank you so much, Brett. Back to you in the studio.
You're turning me maybe into a camper with these RVs. That looks incredible. It's got all the works. It's totally amazing. Thank you so much, Chelsea and Brett.